Hi, as you can see, this is the Falcon XL radar, and this is just for opening and closing purpose. We are installing this one, and we will do the programming for this. See, as you can see, there is two buttons. One is left side and another one is right side. Another left side is for just menu and save the program and all, and right side to scroll down the program, scroll up the program. Just what we need to do, just press for 3 seconds left side. The first red red LED will blink one time, and green LED will blink 7 times. This is basically, this menu is for field size. Field size, it should be by default 7. It is 7. As you you can count if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. This is just for field setting. Again, I will go to the another setting. Another settings is no need. Just this one, no need for us. This 3 number is also no need for us. 4 number, just this is detection mode. Detection mode means you want this to be react towards the radar, or means from the radar, or both the side. If you want both the side, you can set the directions 3, or you want towards the radar, you need to set the dimension. This value of green color should be 2, but we need 5 number. We need 5 number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time it's blinking, but one time it's green color. One time means it will open with man, and it will open with forklift or metal. It will detect both. It will detect, but I want it to detect only forklift, so that I have to set this green color 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times I will press. Green color will be 3. Now to save the programming continuous, we need to press this button. 3 seconds, it will save the program. Now you are out of programming. Now program has been saved.